guys, welcome to another episode of Empress Kitchen, and today we're going to be showing ourselves how to use our regular bread to make pizza. You know, it is not every time you'll be ordering in. You can actually sit and make something yummy in your kitchen.
Come with me as we make pizza. So our ingredients are very regular ingredients. They are regular ingredients. They are something you can find around you. I mean, they are so cheap, but not the cheese actually. We have eggs, we have fresh tomatoes, we have carrots and spring onions. Spring onions and carrots are optional. I mean, it's not compulsory you have it in your own pizza, but I like it. We have sausage, we have cheese, we have onion, we have pepper, white pepper, margarine, and seasoning powder. You can decide not to put seasoning at all. I mean, like this, I like my own. And you have your bread. So the bread, you can use sliced bread, you can use loaf. You can cut the bread into slices. We'll start by breaking our eggs. You whisk it well. Then you can put in your pepper. That's if you want pepper. But you know, I don't like my pizza not to be spicy. I'm a Yoruba girl, so what do you expect? So you put in your pepper and your seasoning, then you mix very well. Okay, so making pizza, it is best to use non-stick frying pan because if you use the regular frying pan, your bread tends to burn and I mean, you're not going to like your pizza. So you go in with your margarine, just a little, spread it over your frying pan, not too much, just so that the frying pan will be wet and your bread will not get burnt. Ketchup on the bread first, then you arrange in your bread on your frying pan. Then you go in with your mixed egg. You go in with your sausage. You can arrange it anyhow. Tomato, carrots, and your spring onions. The last thing you want to go in is your cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese, so you can use your grater to grate it over. Then you can decide to grate it inside a plate, so you can put it in. Then you wait for it to melt. It's just for about 3 minutes. Your cheese has melted. Our bread pizza is ready. Come, you have cold chill drink at home. Oh yeah, come, bring it. Bring it. Let us enjoy this thing together. You want to watch more of this video? Subscribe, like, share with your friends and family and foes. Subscribe to Dr. Shina Aladejibelo on YouTube, Facebook, and every other social media platform. Thank you.